Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Grammarly for writing faster and cleaner, detailed guide step by step clearly. On the home page, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be redirected to a sign up page. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If you are new to Grammarly, select the option to create a new account. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID. After entering your information, confirm your email if required. Once logged in, navigate to the subscription plans section. Review the available plans, which typically include free, premium, and business options. Choose the plan that best fits your writing needs. For more features, select the premium option. Click on the Upgrade or Get Premium button. You will be directed to a payment page. Enter your payment information and any applicable promotions. Confirm your payment to finalize your subscription. After confirmation, you'll receive a notification of your upgraded account. Now, you can explore the advanced features that Grammarly offers. Take a moment to review the personalized suggestions and enhancements. Utilize the browser extension for quick access while writing online. Download the desktop application or add-ins for word processors if needed. Adjust your preferences in the settings for a tailored experience. With your subscription active, enjoy a faster and cleaner writing process with Grammarly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.